Shikshayati, platform for eminent authors, engaging teachers, successful students. To know more, email. Statistics. The word statistics has been derived from the Latin word status, means a political state. This word also resembles with the Italian word statista, German word statistic, and French word statistique, carrying the same meaning of a state. In general, statistics is the science, a branch of mathematics, which deals with the methods of collecting, classifying, presenting, comparing, and interpreting numerical data collected to help draw conclusions about the data on the sphere of inquiry. Application of statistics in economics. Modern developments in economics have root in statistics. Economics and statistics are closely related. Time series analysis, index numbers, demand analysis, etc. are some areas of economics and statistics. Econometrics interact with statistics in a very positive way. Socio-economic surveys and analysis with the help of different statistical techniques plays a vital role in economics for making future projection of demand of goods, sales, prices and quantities, etc., which are all part economic planning. Application of statistics in business management. Due to increasing complexity in the business and industry environment, most of the decision-making processes rely upon different quantitative techniques, which could be explained as a combination of statistical technique and operations research techniques. Statistical decision theory is another component of statistics, having focuses on the analysis of complex business strategies. Application of statistics in commerce and industry. Modern managers, industrialists and businessmen are relying more on statistical procedures. Data on previous sales, raw materials, wages and salaries, products of identical nature of other factories, etc. are collected, analyzed, measures of central tendency and dispersion, correlation and regression analysis, time series analysis, index numbers, sampling, statistical quality control are some of the statistical methods applied in commerce and industries. Shortcomings of statistics. Statistical methods have following shortcomings. Statistics deals with the aggregate. Statistics is concerned with quantitative data. Qualitative data can also be changed to quantitative data by providing a numerical description to the corresponding qualitative data. Projections of sales, productions, price and quantity are possible under a specific set of conditions. If any of these conditions is violated, projections are likely to be inaccurate. The theory of statistical inferences is built upon random sampling. If the rules of random sampling is not strictly adhered to, the conclusion drawn on basis of unrepresentative samples would be erroneous. Thank you for watching the video. Kindly write your comments. Click on the red subscribe button at the bottom of the video to get more details and free ebook. Email us.